Hello viewers, it has come to my attention that only a small percentage of people subscribe to the channel. Your continued support aids me in making great content, as well as making improvements to older videos. Hunt down that subscribe button, and you can continue to see more content later on, like this video right now.
What do you mean you don't agree with me? Do you know who you're dealing with?
You must die!